Hey guys, it's Albert from Muffin Group. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to create their very first website or online store but has no idea where to start. The best part, you don't need to know anything about hosting or domain setup. Thanks to SiteGround's one-click setup, everything can be done for you fully automated. In fact, as I'm about to show you, the entire process takes less than 1 minute. So let's skip this introduction and jump right in. First, open your browser and go to siteground.com Betheme and purchase the right hosting plan. Otherwise, the pre-installed theme integration won't activate for your hosting plan. Note that this is only valid for the first website installation. Every consecutive site activations would go for a standard wizard where the Betheme activation isn't visible. There is a workaround if you're planning to activate it for multiple instances. All you have to do is request a free theme installation via help desk, top right corner question mark, and select theme installation. By providing the URL of your theme on ThemeForest, the installation will also be processed for free by SiteGround technical experts. It's completely free. Let's get back to siteground.com Betheme, where 3 variants you can choose from are. I already have a plan, so I won't follow these steps for this tutorial purpose. Since I already have a plan, I will just log into my SiteGround account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken straight to your SiteGround dashboard. From here, click the Setup Site button. At this step, you can register a brand new domain, connect an existing domain, or simply choose a temporary domain for testing. For this demo, I will select the temporary domain option because I don't need a permanent domain for testing. Next, click Start New Website. Under the WordPress section, you will see the option to install Betheme. Just select it. Now, create the login credentials for your new WordPress site. Enter an email address and password you will use to access the WordPress dashboard. Of course, you can always change these details later if you need to. Finally, enter the Betheme license key that you received when you purchased the theme. Paste it into the field and click Continue. That's it. SiteGround will automatically install WordPress, activate Betheme, and set up everything behind the scenes. In less than a minute, you will have a fully working WordPress site running with Betheme, ready to customize and launch. And that's how simple it is to get your first website or online store live with SiteGround and Betheme. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other tutorial where I go deep into Betheme templates. Seriously, it's one of the most powerful features in Betheme. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.